Okay, so what all things we discussed in the last class? Which are the two types of synthetic fibers that we learned? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi?
Rayon and
Yeah. Which are the two types of synthetic fibers that we learned in the last class? I can't hear you. Wait, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, please unmute.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Which are the two types of synthetic fibers?
Rayon and nylon.
Yeah, rayon and nylon. Then, which synthetic fiber is similar to that of silk? Nandana?
Ma'am, rayon.
Yeah, very good. Rayon. So, today we are going to learn two more synthetic fibers. Okay? We are
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
learn two more synthetic fibers. They are polyester and acrylic. Okay? Polyester and acrylic. Okay. So, first we can learn polyester. Are you familiar with polyester dresses?
Yes.
Yeah? Yes or no? Are you familiar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, polyester, it is the repeating units of chemical called ester. Polyester is made up of the repeating units of chemical called ester. Okay? So, the small ester units combine together to form the polyester. We already learned that all the synthetic fibers are polymers, right? What do you mean by polymer, Advait? Advait, please unmute. Yeah, what do you mean by polymer? Polymer. Lynette,
Yes, ma'am.
can
Polymer
you?
means
Yeah.
many small units are combined to form a large unit. Large unit is known as polymer.
Very good. Small units combine together to form a large single unit. It is known as polymer. So here polyester is an example for a polymer. Here the small units of ester join together to form polyester. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Are you familiar with the term ester? Yes or no? Ester?
No, ma'am.
No. It's a chemical which gives fruits their sweet smell. Okay, pleasant smell of fruits are due to the chemical known as esters. Clear? So,
Yes.
esters are the chemicals which give fruits their smell. These ester units combine together to form the polyester. And the polyester is a fiber. Does not get wrinkled easily. It's always stiff, not easily get wrinkled. Clear? That's one of the property of polyester. Then it always remains crisp and easy to wash. It always remains crisp and easy to wash. So these all are the properties of polyester. Suryadev, please unmute. Can you read these points once again?
Repeating units of chemical called ester. Esters
Yeah.
are the chemicals which give fruits their smell.
Okay.
Fiber does not get wrinkled easily.
Wrinkled easily.
Remains crisp and easy to wash.
Yeah, remains crisp and easy to wash. These all are the properties of polyester. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Then we are moving to the popular polyesters. There are certain popular polyester. They are known in different names. Okay? So, first one, terylene. First one, terylene. It is a popular polyester that can drawn to very fine fibers. Terylene is a popular polyester that can be drawn to very fine fibers. Okay. So the first popular polyester is terylene. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then second one, are you familiar with this type of bottles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
It is known as PET bottles. PET. P-E-T. Okay. The full form of PET is polyethylene terephthalate. No need to study, just for your just for an information. Okay. PET. It is also a familiar polyester. Such type of polysters are used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, etc. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
first one terylene and the second one PET. Okay. This used for, what's the use of PET, Nandana?
Ma'am, it's a familiar polyester and
Yeah.
it is used for making bottles, utensils, films, and wires.
Yeah, very good. It is used for making bottles, utensils, films, and wires. Then another type of fibers, that is a mixture of polyester and a natural fiber. Okay, polyester and a natural fiber. So first one, polycot. Okay, polycot, polyester plus cotton. Polyester plus cotton, that is polycot. And next one, polywool. That is polyester plus wool, that is polywool. The next one, terrycot. Sorry, terrycot. Terrycot, it is terylene plus cotton. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Terylene plus cotton. Adigesh,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please read all these popular polyesters?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Terylene, popular polyester drawn to very fine fibers.
Okay.
PET, familiar polyester
Okay.
used for making bottles, utensils, films, and wires.
Okay.
Polycot, a combination of polyester and cotton.
Yeah.
Polywool, combination of polyester and wool.
Yeah.
And terrycot, combination of terylene and cotton.
Okay, fine. So that's about polyester. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the repeating units of polyester are called Lakshmi Nanda. Yeah. Which one? Yeah. Ester. Correct. Then ester is a chemical which give fruits their
Smell.
smell. Sweet fragrance is due to this chemical. Okay. Then popular polyesters. Which are the popular polyesters? Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the popular polyesters?
Ma'am, terylene,
Yeah,
P.
terylene,
PET,
PET,
polycot,
polycot.
and terrycot.
Yeah, polycot, polywool, terrycot. Polycot is a mixture of amine. Yeah. Polycot is a mixture of
Cotton,
cotton and,
polyester,
yeah, very good. Cotton and polyester. Then Ken. Please unmute. Ken, are you there? Okay, wait. Isha Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Polywool is a mixture of
Polyester and wool.
polyester and wool. And what about terrycot, Sridev?
Ma'am, sterile and cotton.
Terylene and cotton. Okay, fine. Then next we are going to learn about the next fabric, synthetic fabric, that is acrylic. Okay, acrylic. acrylic. It is another example for man-made or synthetic fiber. Okay. This fabric is the example for that acrylic. This is the image of acrylic material. Okay.
Okay.
So it resembles wool. We learned that rayon is similar to that of silk, right? Rayon is similar to that of silk. And here, this acrylic, it resembles wool. What do you mean by resembles?
It's like wool.
Yeah, yeah, looks like wool or similar to that of wool. And it is also called artificial wool or synthetic wool. It is also called artificial wool or synthetic wool. It resembles wool and also called artificial wool or synthetic wool. And it is cheaper than wool and made in colors by dyeing. It is cheaper than wool and made in colors by dyeing. Okay. It is cheaper than wool and made in colors by dyeing. Then it is used for making sweaters, blankets, shawls, etc. It is used for making sweaters, blankets, shawls, etc. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why is okay? Wait. Anashwara, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read these points once again.
Resemble wool, also called artificial wool or synthetic wool,
Okay.
cheaper than wool and made in color by dyeing,
Yeah.
making sweater, blanket, shawls.
Yeah. Fine. So that's about acrylic. So we already learned 4 types of synthetic fibers. Which are they? Rayon, nylon,
Nylon.
polyester,
Yes,
acrylic.
and
Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we can learn a point. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using the raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. Okay. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using the raw materials of petroleum origin are called petrochemicals. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nivedya? Nivedya, please unmute. Yeah, please read this point.
Ma'am, all synthetic fibers are
Yeah.
prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals.
Yeah. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then we can learn the characteristics of synthetic fibers, the common characteristics of this synthetic fibers. So, Tamanna. Tamanna, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read these points one by one, okay? Synthetic
ma'am.
fibers.
Synthetic fibers dry up quickly.
Yeah, it dry up quickly. Compared to natural fibers, it's dry up quickly. Okay, next point.
Are durable.
Synthetic fibers are durable. Durable, okay? It is not undergoes any changes, okay? It is durable. Compared to natural fiber, it is durable, okay? Then next.
Less expensive.
Yeah, it is less expensive compared to natural fibers. Next one.
Readily available.
Yeah, they are readily available. They are always available. Okay, next one.
Easy to maintain.
Easy to maintain. It is easy to maintain. So these are the common characteristics of synthetic fibers. They dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, easy to maintain. Then next point.
Synthetic fabric soak less water than natural fibers and dry up quickly.
Yeah, this synthetic fabric soak less water than natural fibers and dry up quickly. The synthetic fabric soak less water than natural fibers and dry up quickly. So these all are the characteristics of synthetic fibers. They dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, easy to maintain, and soak less water than natural fibers. Fadil,
Yes, ma'am.
can you repeat it once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Synthetic fibers dry up quickly,
Okay.
are durable, less
Yeah.
expensive,
Okay.
readily available,
Yeah.
easy to maintain.
Okay.
Synthetic fibers soak less water than natural fibers and dry up quickly.
Okay, fine. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is there any disadvantage for synthetic fiber?
Sure, sure. May I ask one question? That's related to the disadvantage of this synthetic fiber, the main important disadvantage, okay? Why your mother doesn't wear polyester clothes while working in kitchen?
Polyester clothes catches very with fire easily. Very.
Yeah, that's the main disadvantage of this synthetic fibers. This synthetic fibers, especially the polyester, easily catches fire. When they easily catches fire, they starts melting, right? They starts to melt. When they starts to melt, it sticks to the body of the person who wearing it. Okay? So, it is dangerous to wear polyester clothes while working in kitchen. Not only kitchen, but also in laboratories. Okay? So, doesn't wear polyester clothes while working in kitchen or laboratory because this polyester fabrics easily catches fire. Okay? Easily catches fire and starts to melt. When they starts to melt, it sticks to the body of the person who wearing it. So it is not safe to wear polyester clothes while working in kitchen or laboratory. That's the main disadvantage of this synthetic fiber. Okay. Nivedya Rose,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please read this disadvantage?
Ma'am, synthetic fibers melt on heating or catching fire. When
Okay.
when fabric melts, sticks to the body of person wearing it. Therefore, not wear synthetic clothes in kitchen or laboratory.
Okay. Fine. Do you understand? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which are the synthetic fibers that we learned in this chapter? Henin? Henin, please unmute. Yeah. Which are the synthetic fibers that we learned in this chapter? Henin? Are you there? No? Okay, Adigesh? Yeah. Which are the synthetic fibers that we learned in this chapter?
Ma'am, rayon,
Yeah.
nylon,
Okay. Yeah.
polyester,
Yeah.
and acrylic.
Okay, acrylic. Very good. Very good. Then Tom,
Yes, ma'am.
can you name the synthetic fiber which is similar to that of wool? Similar to that of wool.
Acrylic.
Yeah, very good. Acrylic. And which synthetic fiber is similar to that of silk? Adelio. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
I'm rayon.
similar to that of wool.
Silk. You ask silk.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, silk. So, answer is?
Ma'am, rayon.
Yeah, very good. Rayon. Then, which is the first fully synthetic fiber? Hrithwik? Hrithwik? Are you there?
Nylon.
Yeah, nylon. Very good. Then, give some examples of popular polyesters. Advait? Can you hear me? Advait? No? Okay, Irene Maria? Irene Maria? No? Sridev?
Ma'am,
Sridev, yeah.
pet, Terylene,
Pets, then?
Terylene,
Okay.
Polycat,
Polycap. Poly?
Polycot,
Yeah, polycot. Then?
Polywool,
Polywool.
Terrycot.
Terrycot. Very good. Then can you list few of the advantages or the few of the characteristics of the synthetic fibers Okay, Lynette.
Ma'am, they dry up quickly.
Yeah, dry up quickly. Then?
Ma'am, they are durable.
Durable.
They are less expensive.
Less expensive.
They are like less expensive. They soak less water.
Yeah,
they soak less water.
Yeah.
And they dry. And they dry very fast.
Then they are readily available, easy to maintain. Okay, very
Yeah,
good. So that all things we learned through this chapter. I just want to revise from the beginning the synthetic fibers and plastics. Then we learned the natural fibers, that is from the natural sources, plants and animals. First one wool, then cotton and silk. Then we learned about synthetic fibers. They are made up of polymers, right? First one rayon, then about the properties of rayon, then nylon, its properties. Then we learned polyester, the properties of polyester and the popular polyesters. Then we learned acrylic, its properties. Then what do you mean by petrochemicals? Then the characteristics of synthetic fibers, the main disadvantage. Okay, everything clear?
Ma'am.
Yeah, so from the next class we can start learning about plastics. Okay, so study well. Okay, let's take your attendance. You all are very smart. And I'm really happy for your answers. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Adigesh.
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram. Abhiram, are you there? No? Okay. Abid? Abid? No. Adelio?
Present.
Advait?
Present, ma'am.
Advait Sinup?
Present, ma'am.
Albert? Albert? No. Alvin? Okay. Amalzit?
Present.
Amin?
Present, ma'am.
Amras? Amras Farish? No,
He is present.
but I can't see him. Amras. Okay, yeah. Anashwara,
Present, ma'am.
Anjana,
Present, ma'am.
Benedict, Fadil,
Present, ma'am.
Henin,
Present, ma'am.
Hrithwik,
Present, ma'am.
Irene Maria. Present? I think she is here.
Ma'am, she was there.
Yeah, okay. Isha Fatima?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Ken Shibin?
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi?
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi CV, right? Yeah. Okay, Lakshmi Nandakumar?
Present, ma'am.
Lynette?
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Salim?
Present.
Nadeem Jahan? No? Yeah, he's here. Nandana?
Present, ma'am.
Navaneet? Nivedya?
Present, ma'am.
Pooja?
Present, ma'am.
Sridev?
Present, ma'am.
Suryadev? Yeah, okay. Tamanna?
Present, ma'am.
Tom Jose?
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So I will send the notes of today's class in your WhatsApp group and also published in your website, okay? So you can write it in your notebook and study well, okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
see you in next class, okay? Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
If you have any doubt,
No, ma'am.
if you have any doubt, you can call me, message me, okay? Okay, fine. So see you next class, okay? Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.